For years, we have seen Samsung, Google, and OnePlus battle it out in the foldable market. We have seen creases, the awkward TV remote aspect ratio, and the fragile screens. But now the game has officially changed. The schematic from the Apple supply chain have now confirmed the design of what we know as iPhone Fold. And it's just not another foldable. Apple is debuting a radical passport form factor, the world's first 2nm processor, and a display technology that is going to make the crease physically impossible to see. But to make a device this thin, Apple has to make some brutal compromises. Let's talk about design. Samsung has always stuck to a tall narrow display. It's great for scrolling but terrible for typing or watching videos. While the iPhone Fold is using a 5.5-inch or 4:3 aspect ratio cover screen, it is shorter than the iPhone 16 Pro but significantly wider. But in the hands, it's going to feel like a passport, solid white and actually usable with one hand when it's closed. But the real magic happens when you open it. You're looking at a 7.8-inch of LTPO display because of the wider outer base. When you open it, you aren't getting a square, you're getting a mini tablet optimized for a 16:9 content. And get this, unfolded, it measures just 4.5mm thin. For context, that is thinner than the newest M4 iPad Pro. This thinness comes at a massive cost because of the display assembly is only 4.5mm thick. There is no physical space for true depth camera sensors. As a result, Face ID is officially dead, and instead Apple is bringing back a classic Touch ID. And it is integrated directly into a power button. It allows Apples to keep the internal display incredibly clean. Instead of a massive notch or pill, you're getting a tiny 24MP under display cameras for the inner screen, making this a first true H2H display iPhone experience. And then there are the cameras. If you're expecting the triple camera lenses from the Pro Max, you're going to be disappointed. To keep the back of the iPhone flush, Apple is ditching the telephoto lens entirely. The iPhone Fold will feature a dual 48MP camera sensor. You get 48MP main sensor and 48MP ultra wide. And to keep the device thin, Apple is also going to remove the LiDAR sensor from the back camera system. And to make this all work, Apple is going to use the world's first 2nm processor, which is the Apple A20 Pro, which is also going to be used in iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max. Now, foldable smartphones have always struggled with the battery life because they are powering two screens, and the Apple A20 Pro improves this with a massive 30% improvement in energy efficiency. And combined with a 5500 mAh of battery, the iPhone Fold is rumored to be the first foldable smartphone that can actually outlast an iPhone Pro Max. And now talking about the pricing of this smartphone, it's going to be the most expensive iPhone in history. Pricing is expected to start at $2399 for the model of 256GB. Apple isn't trying to make a cheap foldable, they are trying to make a definitive foldable. By waiting for 2nm tech and perfecting the passport design, they have created a device that makes the Z Fold series looks like a first generation prototype. So tell me what you think about this device in the comment section below, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.